Hello everybody. If you are looking for this product review, you've come to the correct place, because I am here today to assist you to help you make the right decision. Okay, product review. Product dependability and ease of use are the two best aspects of this product, as it is designed to beat all of its competitors. And downloading this product is easy and will only take a couple minutes of your time. Accessing it would allow you to be able to enjoy the support of an online community that enjoys helping all of its members. And furthermore, you do not have to be an IT guy to get the maximum advantage of this product. The instructions are written in such a way that even a teenager wouldn't face any difficulty in mastering it with just a little bit of time and a little bit of patience. Okay, for the product description. The greatest feature of this product is its durability and amazing design. If the instructions are followed properly, you could rest assured and feel assured that the results are capable of making you feel proud of yourself for owning this guide. Now, here are some of the pros of the product. Well, when it comes to benefits, this guide is capable of outshining its competitors with its capacity to produce instant results and the offer of our 100% money-back guarantee with no questions asked. Okay, some cons? Well, there are really no negative aspects for this product that we could find. But the bad news is that the special discount for this product is about to expire. Now, I emailed the owner of the product and asked for a special one that you can only get by clicking the link below this video. Now, is the product legitimate? Well, if you're one who hesitates to make a decision because of the great claims we're making here, well, we're able to assure you this guide would never disappoint you. If you're still hesitating, well, I was at first too, but when I emailed the owner of the product and I got this email, and I said to him that I was a little bit hesitant to buy this product and not sure that this guide would be able to help me either, he answered me with an email that said this. He said, look, you can get your money back for any reason. I won't ask you any questions. I don't want you to feel stressed out about investing in this program because I'm confident it's going to change your life. So here's the promise. If you use this guide for 60 days and you honestly feel that it failed on delivering my promise, I will give you a complete refund. All you have to do is just email me with refund request in the subject headline, and I'll refund the entire cost as fast as the bank allows me to process it. It's that easy. And if you don't believe me, understand that this process is handled by a separate multi-billion-dollar company, so I can't stop the refund even if I wanted to. There is no risk to you. So to get this discount, be sure to close all the other websites that are related to this product and then open this link, where then you're going to be directed to the official website. Then you wait about 15 seconds and then close it. The website will then ask you to stay. So you click stay and you're going to receive your discount. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to the channel to get all the new videos that you may be interested in. Have a great day.